For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.
In this module, I'm explaining something a little bit different. Typically, loans are repaid by making payments at the end of each period. What if you make payments at the beginning of each period? All the tables that you typically use in engineering economic analysis book, they are end of period payment. What happens if you move it to the beginning of period payment? Simple concept, but I want you to walk you through a couple of examples here. So how does the factor change when you start making payment at the beginning of each month? So basically what happens, you can think about moving the payment schedule by one time period to the left or to the present. So here's an example, simple. A loan amount P1, you are repaying in n monthly installment. And the first payment, you are making it now. So basically what you are doing is, by making the very first payment, you are lowering the loan amount. Subsequent payments are made at the start of each month. So the cash flow diagram, as I said before, from an end of period payment, you move it to the left, to the present by one time period. So that's how the cash flow diagram looks like. I'm borrowing the amount of P1, and whatever my annuity payment, I'm making that first payment right then. So effectively, I'm borrowing P1 minus A. So the equivalence equation in terms of present value, if you do, is P1 is balanced by our payment amount A right now, and N minus 1 end of period annuity payments in the future. So if you bring the present value of that payment, we can write P1 equals A, the first payment now, plus A times P over A I N minus 1. One less because we have made one payment right at time t equals 0. So once you solve this equation, P1 is known, I is known, N is known. You can find out the annuity payment now, the monthly payment. So P1 over A, that expression 1 plus P over A I N minus 1, that's the new factor now. You can use that as a new conversion factor for conversion of annuity payment to present value for a beginning of a period payment plan. So this the amount we just computed is the single equivalent amount to be paid to the bank at the end of 2 years. Now, if you decided to pay instead of beginning of period, end of each month, which is the traditional repayment plan, then we simply solve if you do that, then first you find the annuity payment. But there are two ways to do that. The way I have done it, we have first factor, capital recovery factor multiplied by 25,000 gives you the annuity payment. Then I find the future value of that annuity payment. Or you could simply take $25,000, move it to the future in 24 periods with 0.5% per month, and that number comes out to be 28,175. So you end up paying a little bit more if you make end of period payment compared to the beginning of period payment, which makes sense because in the beginning of period payment, you sort of making a down payment, making the first payment right at the time of borrowing money, so that effectively lowers the amount borrowed. Now, a couple of things to point out here. What is the meaning of this capital recovery factor? What is the meaning of A over P 1/2 20? If you pick up from a table that gives you value 0.0527, what does it mean? It simply implies that if you make 25 end of period payment of 5 cents, $0.05, that approximately 0.0527, that will repay a loan borrowed of $1 loan borrowed now at 0.5% interest rate per period. So you can, if you borrow $1 now, your repayment plan is $0.0527 end of next 20 periods. That's your plan period at 0.5% rate per month. F over P 1/2 20, the factor 1.105 implies that $1 will grow to $1.10 at the end of 20 time periods, where each period is giving you 0.5% interest. You're converting a present to future value. Similar reasoning, F over A 1/2 20. This factor converts an annuity to future value. So F over A 1/2 20, 20 equals 20.979 implies that if you pay a dollar payment end of each period and you're earning 0.5% rate on the money that you've invested, which will have a future value of $20.979 end of 20 time periods. Moving on, P over A 1/2 20. The factor P over A simply converts given A find P. Given A find P. So that number 18.987 implies that if you borrow $18.98 now at 0.5% rate from a bank per month, you can repay it by making $21 payment end of each month. So it's important to understand the meaning of those factors. Again, now I have explained in the other module, when you look at a factor A over P, what's in the denominator is what's known, what's in the numerator is what you're trying to find out. That's how you did it. And then two other parameters of those factors are interest rate per period and how many time periods you're talking about. So, these are some important, simple, important concepts. So this module simply says, if you pay instead of end of period, which is how all the tables are formulated, to beginning of period, you can come up with the new conversion factors. All that you're doing is moving the cash flow by one time period into the present. Okay? Hopefully you'll find it useful. I'll come back with more material. Thank you.
For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.